Merry Christmas to all my F addicts out there. Number one, got some new merch. Not for sale, just for me. But I am going to sell some merch soon, and we're doing a giveaway too. Thinking about giving away some kind of, oh my god, some kind of safety equipment or something. I'm not exactly sure yet, but be on the lookout for that. It's going to be super easy to enter. You're not going to have to buy anything. Anyways, moving on to the video. Today, our plan is we're on the small bikes. He's way ahead of me because I'm a slowpoke. And we're going to go to the gas station. We're going to get some beer, and we're going to bless some homeless people. Because it's Christmas, and they deserve to stay hydrated on such a nice warm day. A little stoppy at the stop sign. Alright, let's go put like $1.50 in here and it'll be full. Peace on earth, that's what they want for Christmas. Merry Peacemas. Say that 3 times fast. I'll show you my Merry Peacemas. We're on our way to the gas station because we just went to one and they weren't open. So we're on the way over here because we're gonna buy some beer. So we're doing it. We're gonna find some people to give out these beers to. MotoGP needs to call me ASAP. There's no time to waste. Let's work out a deal. I'm like Conor McGregor. I need millions, maybe billions. Yeah, I mean, it does protect a lot, but that's also what these pucks are for, which I apparently have lost one. I don't know where. That's not good. No idea where that went. Thanks, buddy. We have 6 beers. We're gonna bless 6 people and make their Christmas awesome. And then after that, we gotta go find some stuff to jump. Maybe climb some stairs.
I don't know about climb, but go down. I don't know if these climb stairs.
Maybe we'll find some small stair sets. It's okay.
I think I'll figure it out there.
We'll figure it out. Ethanol addict driver's test. You got to be able to bob and weave. I got to be careful there. They're going to think I'm the drunk one. Oh, go through there? I see what he's saying. Bro's thinking smarter, not harder. I was gonna say, I don't think there's much in that Twisted Tea, except for ants. What's up, dude? I'm trying to be strong for you guys, but I hit my shin on this crash bar when we were going around there, and it really hurts. And I think I might Control-Alt-Delete myself from life after this. We might actually be able to find some stuff over here to go and have fun in. Damn! I'm wondering if there's something over here. Oh yeah. Right here might be the spot. No, it's all like wet down there and stuff. We'll come back. Bro's killing it up there. Yo, look at the dogs. Look at the doggies.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Oh my god. That was almost tragic. I thought he was losing it. Bro's butthole's puckered like this. What is that? Oh, that's a spot. We could get down there at some point. Oh yeah, bro. There's definitely got to be trails up there, right? Not unless everybody who lives out here is lame. Alright. We're doing a 0 to max speed test. We're getting on the freeway. Oh yeah, dude, we're killing it. I hope I don't get pulled over because we're going so fast. It's tucked. He's got to put his visor down. It'll be more aerodynamic. Oh yeah. Okay, we're full tucked. Banging off the limiter. It says we're going 67, but we're not. We're going much slower. We're going like 52. Ah, there he goes. Oh man. Going downhill, it's just gonna keep on doing this. Man, I hope that Kawasaki makes good, reliable vehicles. I don't know that they do because, well, my 636 has been in the shop for a couple of weeks, and it's still gonna be a couple more before I get it back. So we'll hope that this one does a little better than the last one did. Hey, let's go help her. Oh, look at that. There's already a Modelo right here. Oh, I think she got it moving again. What do you mean? What does it feel like? Huh?
I got caught. I don't know what the fuck it is.
Oh yeah, that feels loose, huh?
Wheel bearings.
Here, switch with me. I'm gonna ride in front of you and you look at it. Hey, you want a beer? No beer? Merry Christmas. Nice try. Yeah, that shit's wobbling now. Bro right here looks like he wants one. What's going on, man? You want a beer? No beer? Alright. I don't have any money, all I got's beer. It's still cold. Right there? She'll take one? Here.
Your face.
What'd you say?
Your face.
What about it?
Your eyes. What God gave you, bro.
I appreciate it, bro.
Man, you good, man. Man, your face, dude. You talking about Hollywood?
What is it?
Your face, super Hollywood, bro.
Thanks, dude. I appreciate it.
Bro.
Merry Christmas. Be safe, man. Yo, I think that guy was trying to smash. Did you hear what he was saying? I think that guy was trying to fuck me. It's a counterclockwise roundabout. I think I went about round around the roundabout, right? Hey, how's it going? You want a beer?
I don't think so.
Oh, you don't? Oh, he over there. He said you might want one.
Yes.
He does? I just gave him one. He said you might want one. I just wanted to check. No worries. Merry Christmas. Yeah, they're not too much. You should get one, dude.
Yeah, I'm going to.
You should. It's so much fun. You'll get around so fast. You put gas in it like once a month.
Right.
Yeah, it's like $3. You get around for basically free. Merry Christmas. Oh, bro's going for it. Oh, right there. Man. He's killing it, bro. Man, I was gonna come offer you a beer. You already got one. You want another one? I got Modelo. No beer? Merry Christmas. You feel like it's getting worse? Oh man, down there looks like a fun spot to ride.
You know, after like 30, it smooths out.
Yeah? Bro, you know what's crazy?
What?
You know what's crazy? Nobody wants beer. What the fuck? What the hell? It's like everybody hates Christmas. You know, a few years back, actually, I think it was this building right here. It burned down completely. You see how all the other ones are wood and then, oh no, never mind, those are bricks. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm over here just assuming shit. And then I get cut off on my own logic before it's even over. Oh my god, that's making noise.
I'm not great, don't like this.
That did not feel good on my front tire, I'm not gonna lie. You wanna make a trade?
Oh, I don't think I can do that. What's the trade?
I got Modelos.
No.
No Modelos for fireworks?
I'm pregnant, so.
Oh, no way.
Nice appointment for me, my guy.
Wow, congratulations. Merry Christmas.
I'm pregnant, so I'm really like, oh boy.
She'd totally be down too. One Modelo, get like one of these right here. Like,
Too much before I can even drink it.
like an $80 firework for a Modelo would be worth it. Man.
Like a fireworks guy.
I'll shoot it off right here. It'll be awesome. Yeah. Oh, bro, this guy right here definitely wants a Modelo. I don't want to approach him with that dog, though. Oh, it stopped. Do one more. Oh my god, no traction. Terrifying. I wonder if I can't. I don't have any traction. If we both just start revving our bikes, you think it'll turn green?
I doubt it.
It's not working. They moved, but the light didn't. Oh, right down there would be a good spot. You know, like 5 years ago, I seen somebody down there in that ditch riding a dirt bike. Long before I got into bikes. No trespassing, no motorized vehicles. They are already onto it. It's probably because of that one person. Oh, there's a park right there, bro. What the heck? I never knew there was a park back there. That's new. That wasn't there last time I was out this way. Well, guys, I think it's safe to say nobody wants our beer. So, I'm gonna keep trying. Don't get me wrong, the grind doesn't stop. People are gonna drink my beer, whether it's me or someone else. The grind is not stopping. Don't get me wrong. But I'm afraid that I'm gonna end up having to drink 5 of these beers because I only was able to get rid of 1. I used to fish that pond a long time ago. Never really catch much, but every once in a blue moon you'd catch a good bass out there. Nice little bridge right here. Probably get the yak out there, huh? Oh, there's a nice little trail down there we could hit. I'm remembering all these places for next time I come up here. Off we go. Lane ends, merge left. Okay, we're left right now. What are you doing? Merge left. Oh, big bump. You small dog people are weird, bro. I don't care what anybody says. Missing cat. You see, it's a cat, bro. They're gonna leave. They want to go fuck. Yo! What the fuck is that? That's so sick. Anyways, bro, they want to leave the house. They want to fuck, right? There's a cat in heat in the area. They want to get in that shit, bro. They want to see what that poontang is about. And then owners freak out. They're like, no, my kitty cat, it's gone. Bro, he's out there chasing tail. Let him do his thing. He might be gone for, 10 days or whatever. He'll come back. Yo! Do a burnout! I'm gonna ask him if he wants a beer. Oh. With the busted wheel bearing, it's crazy. I have a feeling that his ground might be stretched a little bit. I could be totally wrong. Oh, that sounds bad. I typically have no idea what I'm talking about, which might hold true right now. Alright, MotoGP, this is your chance. I'm telling you right now, you're gonna want to call me after this. Oh my god, that bike is all the way leaned. Oh man. Listen, I'm not asking for $1 billion, but what I am asking for is maybe like half a bill or something. I don't know. I don't know. We'll work it out, honestly. I'm not asking for infinite money. Just, you know, just generational wealth is all I'm asking for. You saw those skills. You saw the way that I turned. That sounds new. You know, it's crazy because this is the exact place that I blew my chain last time. I ended up parking right there. Yo! He's gonna light that bitch up. Yeah, light it up! Watch out for the crowd killer. Bros might run us over. Oh, he's turning, bro. He's turning. I was gonna offer him a beer. Beer for a burnout. I was gonna buy a Ferrari, but I was like, man, a Ferrari doesn't sound as fun as the Z.